Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and welcome to another exciting episode where I'm going to share my AIM skincare routine. Now, personally, I am more skincare person than a makeup person. Whenever I go out, every single day I don't use a makeup but skincare products, because I personally think that if you have a good skin, makeup will glide on your skin and you don't even need a lot of makeup in your daily basis. So my point is, skincare is more important than makeup. If you have a lot of pigmentation, acne and pimple causing marks all over on your face, it will be more tough to hide those with the help of a makeup. So that's why today I'm sitting here in front of you to show you my AIM skincare routine, and trust me guys, if you follow this, you will get a pigmentation free flawless skin. So let's get started with our main video, shall we? Alright, so today I have with me 3 Ayurvedic products, because I think Ayurveda is something that is coming straight from the nature, and Ayurveda is not reactant to any skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, sensitive or combination, does not matter. It is not reactant to any skin type. Today I have 3 Ayurvedic products from the brand Auravedic, and I have their skin lightening oil, skin lightening polish and skin lightening mask. Now let's talk about something about this Auravedic brand. The turmeric range from Auravedic, which is an ideal solution for dark spots. Now, how can you have dark spots? You can have dark spots by having pimple and acne. Now, I personally get a lot of pimple because of my hormonal issue, and they are so hard to remove. They are so stubborn and you have to do a lot of work with them. Thank God I have this brand Auravedic with me. The first product I have with me, this Pure Lightening Skin Polish, and this is a scrub. It feels so light and you don't have to put a lot of pressure while scrubbing these particles, because they are not dissimilar in nature. And the ingredients of these products are so good guys. I'm mentioning the products. It has extracts of red sandal, turmeric, aloe vera, shea butter, jojoba oil, beeswax, coconut oil, and this particular Pure Lightening Skin Polish costs only 400 rupees for 100 grams, which is absolutely affordable guys. Go for this. The product is very beautiful, and when it comes to Ayurvedic, you can definitely trust this brand Auravedic. After applying this scrub, you have to scrub all over your face for at least 10 minutes before washing it off, and you have to use this particular one for twice in a week, once or twice in a week. Although this is a good scrub, but you cannot use a scrub in a regular basis, otherwise your tissue will get stuck into a place and your pores will get stuck. So definitely you cannot use this particular scrub in a regular basis. Here it is mentioned you have to use it once or twice in a week, and that's it. And this is a very nice scrub, so definitely go for this one if you are looking for something affordable Ayurvedic products. Next up I have with me their Auravedic Ritual Lightening Mask Anti-Tan. Firstly, let me mention the ingredients of this product. They are so good. It has extract of red sandal, saffron, neem, turmeric, tulsi. Auravedic Ritual Skin Lightening Mask is a very creamy face mask, power packed with super extracts of saffron, turmeric and sandalwood to lighten those spots. This particular product is totally paraben free and cruelty free, and it feels so good after applying this pack. You just have to apply a thick layer of this pack and you have to wait for 15 minutes before washing it off. You can wash it off with regular tap water, or you can wipe it off with wet cloth. Whatever you want, you can go with that. This particular Auravedic Ritual Skin Lightening Mask really helps to get rid of tan which you are having right now. Lockdown does not mean that you are not having any type of tan or something like that, because we all have sun exposure in our house, so you are obviously having tan. So if you are having a very dark tan which is really hard to remove, then definitely go with this Auravedic Ritual Skin Lightening Mask. You can literally use this particular mask all over on your body, not only on face but all over on your body wherever you are having tan. This particular product costs 400 rupees again for 100 grams, and they are so affordable I personally think, because this is the top packaging. As you can see, there is no such fanciness. They are not charging you for any type of fancy packaging or something like that. This is a very basic packaging. So if you are looking for some brightening anti-tan mask, then go for the Auravedic one. Last but not the least, I have with me this Auravedic Skin Lightening Oil. This is how the packaging looks like. I only have one problem with this packaging, that it does not comes with an applicator or with a dropper. I'm going to show you what is the point I'm trying to say. That see, it has no such applicator. You have to be very careful while putting it on your palm. So be careful guys if you are using this. This particular oil penetrates into the skin to work from within, and cold pressed oil infusion works better, so the oil is very effective. And all the ranges of Auravedic has no nasty chemicals and bleach, so safe and healthy for skin. So this particular product has no nasty chemicals or plastic which can react with your skin, and this particular oil you have to use twice in a day. So guys, at the end, let's sum up the thing how to use this particular kit. So this particular product, Auravedic Pure Lightening Skin Polish, which is a scrub, you have to use it once in a week. Once or twice you can use, but stop right there. It has scrubbing particle. It can be harmful if you are using it in a regular basis, so you have to use it only once or twice. Next, I have this Auravedic Ritual Lightening Mask, which is an anti-tan mask. So if you have a lot of pigmentation and lot of stubborn tan which is not removing, then you have to use it at least twice in a week. But if you don't have lot of tan, if you are having less tan, then you can use it twice in a week. And whenever you are using this particular mask, make sure that your face is totally cleansed, because I'm not recommending you any type of face wash, because changing a face wash can affect your skin. So definitely do not change your face wash, just use this particular mask after having cleanser. So after that, I have this Auravedic Skin Lightening Oil, and this particular oil you have to use it twice in a day. That means you have to include it as your AM and PM skincare routine. Make sure that you use a nice layer of oil. So yeah, that was my AM skincare routine secret which I have shared with you guys. I have linked all the products in the bottom part, so you can check those out. And I hope you got a little bit of idea how to take care of your skin in the morning. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. So if you find this video informative, then please do not forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And before skipping this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon. And yeah, hopefully I will see you soon with a brand new one. Until we meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Take care. Bye.